Hello everyone, welcome back to your Java teacher. In this video, we will understand what is a class and object in Java. So let's get started. Let's understand what is class and object with real world example. So let's take an example of employee in a company. So employee is a generic term now. So to store the records of employee, there will be an employee class. Now, what is the need of class here? Because class will work as a template and all the employees will have some common details. Common attributes will be there like name, employee ID, salary, address, etc. So, employee is a generic term here. So, for that, we are making an employee class. Now, what is an object? When we make some record using a class, we call that as an object. So here, let's say Pankaj is a employee of ABC company having following details. So that is the real world object, and the same thing we are correlating in Java programming also. Now here with this one employee class, we can make any number of employee records. This is about Java class and object.